read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. My sweet students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay, our today's number is number 14. I will tell you how to trace it, how to count it, and how to write number 14. And also, we will try to identify. So, let's start. Oh, wow, beautiful. Sparrows. Let's count with me. How many sparrows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, 9 and 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Yes. Oh, 14 sparrows chatter cheerfully on the tree. They are looking very beautiful. Now, spread your arms wide like wings and spin in a circle. Wow, you all are looking very nice. So, let's start. Start from the dot, come straight down. It will make number 1. Start from the dot, come straight down, make sleeping line. Another straight down. It will make number 4. 10 and 4, 14. Okay, give me your pencils. I wanna collect. Keep your pencils on the table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are 10 pencils. Now 4 erasers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 and 4, 14. 10 and 1, 11. 10 and 2, 12. 10 and 3, 13. 10 and 4, 14. 14 sparrows in a row, 14 sparrows in a row, brown and cute, brown and cute. They come and go, the trip, sing and fly around, sing and fly around, making such a happy sound, making such a happy sound. Yes, very good. Now, I hope so. You know very well how to count it, how to trace it. What? Number 14. Which number is this? Number 14. You have to do practice of writing and counting number 14. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.